welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make rock chicken. If you've ever had rock chicken from Cupbop, you know how delicious and crispy they are. I'm going to show you guys how to make them in the air fryer. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, to make these rock chicken, I'm using skinless, boneless chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breast for this, but I do recommend using chicken thighs. I'm going to cut them into bite-sized pieces, just like so. After cutting your chicken into bite-sized pieces, go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, ground ginger, some adobo seasoning, and if you don't want to use adobo seasoning, go ahead and add some salt at this point, some sesame oil, rice vinegar, and some soy sauce. After making sure that your chicken is well seasoned, I like to place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to an hour before moving forward. After marinating this chicken in the fridge for about an hour, this is how it's looking. Now in a large bowl, take your rice flour or your potato flour, and we're going to add that into a bowl. And remember, you have to use rice flour or potato flour for this recipe. If you use flour or cornstarch, it will not come out as crispy as you would like it to be. Now, after adding your flour into the bowl, go ahead and set that aside. Take your air fryer basket. As you can see, mine is not that big, so I will be cooking my chicken in batches. Now take your cooking spray and spray the basket with it. Now what I'm going to do is take my chicken and we're going to toss them into the rice flour, and we're going to place them in the basket, and make sure you do not overcrowd the basket so they can get nice and crispy. After adding in your chicken in the basket, take your cooking spray and we're just going to spray the top of the chicken. Just like so. This looks good. After spraying the top of the chicken with cooking spray, set your air fryer at 400 and we're going to cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 10 minutes, check your chicken to make sure that they are cooking. Give them a little shake, make sure that they're not sticking. If they are, go ahead and just move them around. Hello guys, so my rock chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? I went and made my own kebab at home. I added some white rice, some cabbage, which is like the coleslaw mix, some glass noodles, and of course my rock chicken on top. And I also added some spicy mayo and teriyaki sauce, guys. Let me tell you, this is so delicious. Give it a try and come back and let me know how you like it. And I cannot wait to enjoy this dish. It is the best. The chicken is cooked to perfection in the air fryer, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.